Good morning students. Welcome back to another video lesson of class 4th EVS. In this video lesson we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, from the window. This chapter is in continuation with the last chapter that we were reading, that was Omana's journey. In this chapter we will continue the journey of Omana, and she was in train, and now the diary is of 17th May and the time is 7:30 a.m., that is in the morning. So let's continue. It is morning now. Now this is Omana writing in her diary. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside. When the train stopped early this morning, I woke up. It was Madagon. That was written on the board at the platform. Appa said that we were going through the state of Goa. Now they were on the platform named Madagon, which is in Goa. Now Goa is the smallest state of our country, and Madagon is the station where they are halted for some time. Now we got off at the station and had some hot tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. Now the train has started again. They have filled some water bottles and had some hot tea. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is so beautiful. It is green everywhere. As you can see in the picture, this is the scene. It is green everywhere. Now it is so beautiful. Fields with red soil and green crops, hills covered with trees. Sometimes I can see small ponds, and far away behind hills more water. I can't make out of it is a river or the sea. I can't make out if it is a river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. Now the air that was in Ahmedabad was dry, but now the air is cooler. Why is it cooler? Because Goa is near sea, and because of which the air is cooler now. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. Now the train is passing a level crossing. A level crossing is place where a road and a railway track crosses each other. Now when the train comes, the traffic on the both sides is stopped, and when the train passes the crossing, they can move in both directions. There are buses full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and even tongas and bullock carts with people and goods in them. Now, what did Omana see? Omana saw buses that are full of people, cars, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters, and tongas and bullock carts with peoples and goods in them. Now there are a lot of vehicles there, as you can see in the picture also. The tongas, bullock carts, trucks, buses, cars, etc. Heavy traffic is there waiting for the train to pass so that they can cross the level crossing. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicle even while waiting at the level crossing, which is not a good thing. You should turn off your engines or the engines of the vehicles while you are waiting at the level crossing. There is a lot of smoke and noise, and because of the people not switching off the engines, there was a lot of noise and smoke. I can see some people going under the bars of the level crossing. How dangerous this is. Now you should not go under the bars when the train is passing. It is very dangerous. Continuing the chapter, at times our train crosses another train. Annie and I tried to count the carriage in one such train, but both the trains were going so fast, we always got confused. Now, at some time when one train crosses another train like this, one train is going in that direction, another train is going in that direction, they tried to count the number of carriage in the other train, but both the trains were moving so fast that they got confused. Now here are some question answers for us. The first question here is, what was the difference in the scene that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? Now on the first day they have crossed a village where there were fields, rivers, etc. While on the second day, when they have crossed the level crossing, they saw a lot of traffic and they also saw hills and green fields. So that was the difference in the scenes that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day. Second question here is, Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? Now we will move on to the part where she saw the vehicles. We have to choose which vehicles run on petrol or diesel. Cars, buses, trucks, auto rickshaws, motorcycles, scooters. These are the vehicles that run on petrol or diesel. Next question. Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Because the people were not turning off the engines because the people were not turning off the engines of the vehicles. That's why there was so much noise and smoke from the vehicles at the level crossing. Now the last question for this video lesson is, what can we do to reduce noise of the vehicles and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. Now this is very important question for us. What can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? First of all, we can turn off the engines of the vehicles when there is any crossing or stoppage. What can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? We can turn off the engines of the vehicles when we have to stop at some crossing or stoppage. Okay students, that's all for today's video lesson. We will continue our chapter in the next video lesson.